Good morning, all of you. So, yesterday's explanation, heading tags, the first topic of HTML, heading tags. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. All these are the heading tags used for displaying of headings. Example not completed, sir. I'll show the example. This is our outline of the HTML program. The first one is version specification, second one language specification and program starting, and a head section. Currently it's empty section. Up to 3-4 examples, we are not touching this part. Next comes to the body directly. Body inside, write your code. So H1 followed. So this is H1 tag opening and this is the H1 tag closing. And inside that you can write any message here, any text. The total text displaying with the big size. Heading 1 is nothing but an big size. Big size means how much, sir? 31.5 pixels. The big size is nothing but an 31.5 pixels. What is this 31 points, sir? In our Windows operating system, font size option available. In Windows, every software, Notepad, Paintbrush, MS Word, PowerPoint, font settings are there. Font size, font style, bold, italic, or something. That font size is this one, sir. You know the basic operations of the computers. This you don't know, na? Every software we have this one. The size is available, na? This size is 31.5. There is the default size of the H1 or inbuilt size of the H1. If I don't like this size, sir, use the CSS. H1 HTML tags, what are the outputs they are producing? If they do, if you are not interested that style of output, a color combinations if you are not interested, alignments not interested, sizes not interested. For all these things, the one and only solution CSS. We can customize any HTML tag, but by using the CSS only. Because HTML prepares only content. CSS, Asian Paints, Neroloc Paints, Markup. So HTML is the data, CSS is the markup operation. Maybe somebody is going to asking the same questions. Can you change the sizes, sir? Yes. Can you change the alignment, sir? Yes. Can you change the colors, sir? Yes. Can you change the positions, sir? Yes. But CSS. HTML not supported. CSS we have to use. So until to enter into the CSS, what HTML providing the default settings, we have to follow those only. So instead of this meaningless message, I'm going to printing our subject name, sir. So hypertext markup language, a small heading. Then what is the execution process, sir? I already said yesterday, we have some globe icon, internet symbol available here. So just click on this symbol, you'll get directly output like this. Otherwise, sir, first to save this program, file menu, save. Where, sir? Anywhere in the system we can save the program, sir. There is no restrictions. Desktop, my documents, downloads, C drive, E drive, F drive, anywhere we can save. The file should be present in the hard disk. That is the important. Hard disk where, sir? No rules. Anywhere okay. But what I'm doing today onwards, sir, go to E drive, creating one folder for our batch. From today onwards, completely programming is, sir. So all programs neatly maintenance, one folder I'm creating for our batch. Name of the folder, HTML 930. Our batch folder name is HTML 930. Every example I'm saving in this folder. Already you have the HTML 2 p.m. batch, sir. They're all the programs neatly available here like this. So for your batch also, one folder HTML 930. And what is the program name, sir? Example1.html. First program, so I'm taking the name example1.html. Then save. Yes. Where it is saved the program, sir? Check it once. My computer, E drive, HTML 930, and this is your program. Example 1. Can I double click on this program, sir? Why not, sir? You just double click, directly will get the output. This is one way to execute the program, but I said don't prefer this procedure. When you double click on the HTML files, directly output comes in any system, even in mobiles also. In mobiles, a double click not necessary. Just if you touch the HTML program, sir, directly output opens in mobiles. In computer side, the double click required. That is just for confirmation, sir. Now we'll go for official process. I already saved this program with the name of example1.html in the E:930 folder. Now open the browser. Go to the address bar. This is our address bar of the browser. You know very well, daily we are using. Here daily we are typing some websites names. So today just for change, E:930/example1.html. Press enter and this is your output. Type the program address completely, complete address. Then press enter key, you will get output here. By chance output not comes, sir. It's not coding problem, sir. Your file address problem. Because HTML never showing the errors. Remember this word. If you write the program wrongly also, but never showing the errors. 100% program executing. But my system program not executed, sir. Address is not proper. The file location is not given properly. That is the only meaning. See that I'll make some mistakes in the program. H1 open tag. This is H1 closing tag, pair tag. I'm removing this pair tag, sir. Still program runs. Choddo by light HTML nature. In our programming languages, sir, 1 kg errors are comes. 1 kg confirm. Now refresh the program. You have the same output, see that. No objections. Next, I'm closing the program like this, sir. Opening tag H1, closing tag Shiva. But Shiva meaning browser doesn't know. Still your program running. And running just for clarity purpose. Executed successfully, not unsuccessfully. Successfully program executed. The HTML CSS is special. You are never getting the errors generally in HTML and CSS. If you write the program variously also, still program output is comes. Matter. Next, other heading tags also I'm using, sir. Yesterday I already said one example, mana book, what is that? Shopping mall, dresses, racks. Same t-shirt, 5 to 6 items available. Same jeans pant, 5 to 6 items available. Why sir ante large, medium, small, XL, double XL, triple XL this. Now this also same thing only. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and comes to here. Now your t-shirts rack is comes, see that one now. Same class shops show how they are arranging the dresses. We also highest size to least size. H1 to H6. The biggest to smallest size, sir. The biggest to smallest size. Okay, no? Theoretically, what we discussed, that all the things practically available here. Next, small guidelines. What are the guidelines, sir? Can I repeat any of these tags, sir? 100%, sir. No doubt at all. And can I change the combination, sir? And instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want to use the 1 and 5, sir. No problem. Combination your interest, sir. Repetitions your interest, sir. Number of tags also your interest. No objections, no guidelines, no rules and regulations. You have full freedom. What you are thinking, just write that one. Especially in the body section, I'm talking here. Body section. Body section representation, what, sir? Content designing. Head section, settings. Remember or not? Head section, what we have generally? The web page settings. And body section, what we have? Web page designing. So while designing of the web page, we can make anything, sir. Nobody objecting. How many tags you want to use? Your interest. What are the combinations you want to use? Your interest. How many times you are repeating the same tag? That also your choice. No objections from my side and as well as the Tim Berners-Lee side as well as the browser side also. See that I'm showing one small thing here. H1. So cascading style sheets. One more time, H1 I repeated, sir. H1 next, which tag we have to use, sir? Any of the balance 5. H2, H3, H4, H5, anything is okay, no problem. Now I'm going to using some H3, JavaScript H3 close. So some tags repeated, sir, and some combinations also I changed here. You will get the output properly. There is no problem. So total 8 tags outputs are these. So now the small conclusion about these tags. Sir, H1 tag 2, 3, 4, 5, we understand the tags, okay. But where we are using these tags in our real time, sir? First of all, these tags using in our websites are not. There is somebody's doubts. If you open the websites, 90% of websites, the heading tags are available, sir. Out of 100 websites, every 90 websites, they are using heading tags. 100% guarantee. Suppose the tags not used by websites, sir. First, I am not interested to explain. Time waste, kada. So we are discussing anything means compulsory that is used in the websites or real-time applications. Non-used components are never going to touching. My time waste, your time also waste. Why? But we are never seen these headings, sir. Maybe identification problem. And today only we discussed heading tags. Today only you know what is H1, what is H2. So previously you don't know maybe H1, H2 meanings. When you are seeing also, you are unable to identify that one. Oh, this is H1 na, H2 na, H3 na. Now if you open any website, you can identify. So open any of your favorite website, no problem. Flipkart, Amazon, NareshIT, YouTube, Aha Movies, Prime Videos, Monster, Naukari, anything okay, Redbus. Okay, we are shopping interested together. Girls, that's why Flipkart opened. So, can you identify anybody here? Headings are is there or not? Anybody, can you identify here? Is there any headings or not? If any heading available, try to pronounce that word. Then I can understand easily. Top offers. Sure, huh? How? And on which basis you identified? Color, size. Sure, huh? Next. 64%. Next. Feature brands. That is also heading A. But H4 or H5 are small size. This size. H5. Next comes down. Best of electronics. Next, top deals. Next, well, again, feature brands. Quality assured picks. These all are headings only, sir. So just we checked only one page, single page we checked. In that single page, you have number of headings. If you go to down, sir, you will find almost 30, 40 headings like that. One website, one web page, use nearly 30 to 40 headings. Down. Go to the bottom of the Flipkart page. At the end of the Flipkart page, sir. Observed groceries, books, baby kids, home furniture, lifestyle, small appliances, large appliances, electronics, mobile phones, exchange offer, EMI, no cost EMI, Flipkart Plus, Flipkart, all are headings only. Okay, sir, you are saying headings, we are believing, but we need the proof, sir. Is really heading or not? You know one point, can we see the source code or not? Any website source code we can see, and if you are interested, you can copy also. If you open the source code of this web page, you can easily identify it's a heading or not. So how to open the source code, sir? Right click, last two options, view source and inspect. If you want to check easily, sir, go for the inspect option. You want to copy the total code, go for view source. I want to just cross check the code, sir. Then go for the inspect. Visibility problem available. I'll magnify it, sir. Right click here. You will get the menu. Na? And the last two options, inspect and view source. Select the inspect. What happens are, your web page is right side source code displaying. Left side output is comes, right side source code displaying generally. This is source code. This is web page, source code. I'll reduce the size, wait. This is our source code web page. But now what we want to check, this line designed with which code we want to check it, right? A particular line only. One small option is available. See that, sir. This is the option. Observe the arrow key is there, na? Click on that link, arrow key. Which component source code you want to check it? Place the mouse pointer on that component, on that item. What is this? H1. Agada purple color display, you see that white color box. In white color box, purple letters H1. Orange color is there? Just observe the bottom of the orange color. H1, purple color display. So this tag designed with H1. Next, Flipkart plus, sir. It is H2. Flipkart plus is there, na? This is H2. Because visible, sir, here, see, na? H2. What is that, sir? Flipkart plus. Just go to the top. H1. What is that? Flipkart, the one-stop shop for destination something. So now got it a clarity? If you want to observe the source code, how they design this particular component, use the inspect option. You want to copy the total source code, go for view source. Once again, I'm showing the options, sir. Right click on the web page, go to the last option, inspect. Right side, your source code is opens, and take the first this arrow symbol and place on the component. The source code is visible. You can cross check like this. Size same. Sir, check the screen properly, sir. This size different, sir. Okay, next moving to the second example and the second topic. So what is the second one, sir? Paragraph, I'm going to starting, sir. Next tag and the next topic, paragraph. Once again, a small reminder, sir. In HTML, topics nothing but tags. Every tag is a one topic. Topic means tag, tag means topic. And like as your C language, Java, .NET topic, or 1 week the same topic working, don't expect like that. It is just every tag is a one topic. Maybe some topics 5 minutes, some topics 1 hour. That's all. So what is the use of paragraph tag and how to use this paragraph tag, sir? That I'm going to explaining. P stands for paragraph. The P full form is paragraph. Tag name P, sir. Full form paragraph, sir. So what is the purpose of this tag, sir? To display the data or text, whatever it may be, in the form of a paragraph. We have number of lines of data, sir. That number of lines of data we want to display like as a one paragraph. So for that, we are using this P tag. That is the only purpose, sir. P tag used for paragraphs. H1 tag used for the main headings. H2 tag used for the subheadings. There is no alternative options. There is no separate concepts. Every tag used for the one particular purpose only. And what is the nature of this paragraph tag, sir? It is a pair tag, sir, and block level tag. We don't know what is meaning of block level because I'm not explained. 5 minutes after I'll cover the meaning. Pair tag meaning we know, sir. Opening or closing both required. This line is called as nature of the tag or behavior of the tag. For every tag, I'll explain this sentence, sir. And moreover, these are your FAQs also. A tag nature, so many times they asked. And at last, syntax. Paragraph open, type some text. How many lines I can type it, sir? Minimum 1 line, sir. Maximum 1 lakh lines. If you are interested, you can type 1 lakh lines also, no problem. 1 lakh lines we are not interested, sir. Or 10 lines. Not interested, sir. 4 lines. Not interested, sir. Skip the program, go to next program. Simple. So paragraph is nothing but a minimum 1 line, sir. Maximum depends upon your content requirement. But just now we observed in the Flipkart, some paragraph single line available, some paragraph 2-3 lines. Headings bottom data available. Observed together. EMI cost available. Explanation of EMI cost. Exchange offer heading. Bottom explanation of the heading. Explanations all we can take as a paragraphs. Okay, HTML leave it, sir. In our real life textbooks, in our real life notebook, what is generally data preparation? First heading is comes. Heading bottom. Explanation of this heading is comes. Explanation generally paragraph only kada. A topic name, definition, meaning, purpose. A word explanation generally it comes as a paragraph. The same thing we are following. The basic syntax to write the paragraph. Open the paragraph, type the text any number of lines and close the paragraph. How many paragraphs we can use, sir? Adi your interest, sir. Observe, na? The paragraph 1. This is paragraph 2. And paragraph, you points. Well, again paragraph, again paragraph, again paragraph. Lot of paragraphs are there, see that one. Now see the example. First I show roughly, sir, then I'll design properly. This is paragraph begins. Type this one. And paragraph generally comes with small size or big size? Small sizes, sir. Obviously, paragraph comes with small size. What is the size, sir? 12 pixels. Generally, paragraph size is 12 pixels. Font size, 12 pixels. 3-4 lines I typed here. Then save the program. File menu, save. The program name is example2. Done. Go to the browser and type the address of your program once again. /HTML 930 /example2.html. Press enter. A complete address of your program compulsory. And this is our paragraph. Online students, somebody you switched on the cameras, sir. So please switch on the cameras. Babu, channel M11. Switch on the camera, switch off the cameras. Switch off the cameras. If anybody you switched on the camera, I'll remove your name from the meeting, sir. Don't switch on the camera. Switch off it, all of you. Anybody who switched on the camera, I'll remove the name. Remember that word. Switch off it, all of you. It's disturbing to other online students here. When anybody, if you switch on the camera, my screen not visible to online students. Your beautiful, handsome face is visible to others. A very bad thing. This is the paragraph. Very small size. The size is 12 pixels. Now do one thing. A Flipkart, how they design, we are also following the same manner. Some heading explanation, some heading explanation available, sir. I'm also doing the same thing. Data copying from here. No cost EMI heading H2 colon symbol H2 close. Why colon symbol, sir? And a heading field creation, nothing else. Next one, paragraph and paragraph close. The heading and the explanation about the heading. Similarly, H2 colon H2 close. And paragraph begins. Here the paragraph is closing. Next, third one. Again H2. Mobile offers H2 close. And paragraph. So 3 headings, 3 paragraphs. Now see the output style. You will get like this. Same as to Flipkart, sir, but colors different. They used gray color. That is gray color. Light gray and dark gray, not black. The gray. Paragraph light gray, headings dark gray, but we used black colors. We can also change the colors, sir. And we don't know CSS, sir, then only. So some couple of days you have to adjust. Or 3-4 days after I'll start CSS also. Then we can change the colors ourselves. This is the utilization of the headings and the paragraph tags. Nothing is waste. Everything is useful only for us. How many paragraphs we can write? If anybody you have the doubts, sir. You got already 3 paragraphs are there. See that. So any number of paragraphs, any number of headings accepted. No problem. And the next one. BR tag I'm going to using, sir. Tag is BR. BR tag just a 2 minutes explanation. For that the separate program not necessary. That's another small topic also I'm including here. One is the BR tag. Second one is HTML entities. 2 concepts I'm including in the same thing. Small topics are not bigger. BR tag is just 2 lines, sir. 2 minutes also. BR tag is equivalent to enter key in our keyboard. Keyboard enter key is there, na? That enter key, what it is doing generally? Cursor moving to the next line. If I use the BR tag also, same thing it happens. If I use BR tag also, the same thing is happens. Why we have to use the BR tag, sir? I'll explain first a reason. I'm trying to print some messages, sir. Or 2 messages I'm printing the side by side. The two messages I'm printing side by side, output also generally comes the side by side only. First is apples and second one is mangoes. My designing is side by side. Output also comes side by side. It's general point. Next, I'm designing line by line, sir. And the two messages I typed in two different lines, but still output comes in side by side only. If we type in the line by line, but still output comes in side by side only like this. The default nature of the browser. How you are typing is not matter. Tag instruction is the matter. Programmer, they can type in any format, but final output produced based on the tag instructions only. We know already, sir, tag is a set of instructions. Browser following those instructions and producing the outputs. Apple after, I use it 3-4 times enter keys. See that one. First enter, second enter, third enter, fourth enter. But in output, sir, no enter. But if you type the data in any number of lines, but finally output comes into the single line only. Then what is the use of to type the enter, sir? That only I'm saying don't type. It's a waste of time. The matter. Don't type the enters manually. It's a wasting of the time. Next, the second point. Apples after 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 spaces I given. But output 4 spaces doesn't comes. That also time waste only. Is there any 4 spaces, sir? No, we have only 1 space. If you are given 100 spaces, sir, but final output is comes only single space only. So why these things are? When you are the program translating, all these extra spaces, extra enter keys are trimming by the Java HTML translator. These all the extra spaces, extra enter keys, extra tabs, and without that output is going to produce. But I need line breaks, sir. I need spaces, sir. We have to use the special tags like this. Or we have to use the special operators like this. Now I'm explaining the BR tags, sir. Small tag used for line break operation. Used for line break. Similar to enter key. In our keyboard enter key, if you press it, what happens? The same thing is happens. In programming students say very easy, sir. You know backslash n kada programming students, C Java students, .NET students. What enter key is doing, sir? BR tag also doing the same thing. Enter key is similar to BR tag, but in C language, the HTML. Then only naming difference, but purpose of meaning is same only. No changes in that one. So one backslash n, how many lines gap producing generally? One backslash n, how many lines gap is comes? Only one. If I need 4 lines of gap, 4 times you have to use the backslash n. Backslash n, backslash n, backslash n. So printf followed by backslash n, backslash n, backslash n. It is C Java .NET coding style. Of course, in Python also. Same thing available in Python. In place of backslash n in our HTML, we are using BR, 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 BR. Same concept. We are not C students, sir. We are not Java students, sir. I already given instructions, sir. Enter key. Enter key, it's not C concept together. Enter key is the keyboard concept. Keyboard, everybody you knows. No, sir, that also we don't know, sir. I'll run away. That is the only option. Huh? Enter key also, if you don't know, then I'll run away. This is the purpose, sir. And what is the nature of this tag, sir? It is unpaired tag, sir. First unpaired tag. Previous 7 tags are the paired tags only. So first time we are using the unpaired tag. Unpaired tags, one time we have to type, or 2 times we have to type. One time. That is the open tag and that is the closing tag. All unpaired tags are the self-closed tags. Self-closed tags. Actual syntax is this one, BR. And second syntax, BR. Which one you comfortable, follow that one, sir. Which one you are comfortable, follow that one. First one is valid, second one is also valid. Without confusion in future, if you want to use in the better way, sir, go for the second syntax. Without confusion. Reason, if I write like this, suddenly when you are observing the tag, how you are recognizing? Is it pair tag, unpaired tag? Unpaired tag, and that time idea not comes, sir. Generally, you are feeling it's a opening of the tag. Generally, we'll get an idea it is a opening of the tag. Again, unpaired any suddenly bulb is not on. Generally, that confusions, if you want to eliminate it, better go for this one. Simple process. Meaning same, your comfortability is important. System accepting the both syntaxes. I can manage it, sir. Go for first one. No, sir, we'll get the confusion suddenly when we are watching the code. Go for second one. So first I'll implement this code. See that. BR. I'm typing side by side only, both messages. But between the both, we have one BR tag. I designed the code side by side, but output is comes line by line. The effect of the BR tag. Next, again BR, oranges, again BR, grapes. Now the 4 fruits comes in 4 different lines. Check it. So how you type it, it's not matter. Tag instruction is the matter. Next one, after mangoes, I'm using multiple BR tags there. Total 4 BR tags I used after mangoes and before oranges. A small question here. How many lines gap between the mangoes and oranges? The number of lines between the mangoes and oranges. 4. Sure, huh? Pakka. 5. I used 4 tags only. Kada? Question repeating, sir. Between the mangoes and oranges, how many lines gap it produces? 3. 4. Okay. Anybody 2? Nara. 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Anybody 1? 1. 4 tags if I use it, how one line comes, madam? Huh? Gap. Okay, sir. 4 lines, 4 lines, 3 lines, 4, 4, 1. I'll refresh the program. Check it once. How many lines? 4 lines, huh? 3 lines. 3, not 4. But in 4th line, orange is printing, sir. 4 backs BR tags I used. 4 lines gap is comes. After 4 BR tags, where is cursor? In 4th line only. In 4th line, it prints the oranges. So the gap between the mangoes and oranges is 3 only. But 4th BR tags are. 4th BR tag is working, sir. But in that line, oranges printing. How can say it's a 3 lines only, sir? Select the gap. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines exactly. See that one. Okay, this is the purpose of the BR tag. When I use like this, both are working, no problem. So which one you want to follow? As per your comfortability, you can follow, no problem. This is valid syntax. This is also a valid syntax. Next. The second part also I'm continuing, sir. HTML entities. What is HTML entity, sir? This is equivalent to programming terminology, HTML operators. Operators. And in real life also plus, minus, star, slash available. All those are the operators used to perform some calculations. Plus for addition, star for multiplication, slash for division operation. Like that, for designing related also some operators are available. Some operators calculations, sir. Some operators helping to design the pages. So HTML operators are used to design the pages some more effectively, attractively. So entity means HTML operators or special characters. Special characters. Somebody calling operators or somebody calling special characters. Anything okay. Which one you are flexible, follow that one. I think operators you are more friendly and because every language operator common word. So follow that also here, no problem. An entity is nothing but an HTML operator or a special character. What is the use of the special characters or operators, sir? Generally, operators are used to perform some specific task or operation. Operators are used to perform some specific task or to perform some specific operation. Every operator performing some operations, sir. Every operator performing some task. No doubt at all. But we don't know which operator, which task is performing, sir. That we have to work out it. First of all, how many operators we have, sir? 99 operators are available, sir. C, Java, .NET, maybe 10 or 15 or 20 available, hardly, maximum 20. But here in HTML, 99 operators are available. First of all, if I listed the 99 operators, remembering yourself possible or not possible, openly. Open. 99 I'm going to listing. So are you going to remembering the 99 or not? Not possible. Sure, Gada. So that's why I'm not listing 99. But we are missing some awareness, sir. No. For that, I'll show some trick. And without grinding, without rubbing, I'll show some tricks to you. And without any complexity, we can easily identify the 99 operators. How it is possible, sir? I'm using Edit Plus software, one editor, HTML special editor. Editor providing the list of operators automatically. You just select that operator. So mental peace and model. A special option not available, sir. 99 you have to Preeti mixio, butterfly mixio, you have to use compulsory. Guarantee 99 remembering generally not possible. If anybody is thinking, sir, I'll remember it, sir. Thinking, no, gada. So 99, if you want to remember an art of, before that a small test. In your mobile's contact numbers available. So many contact numbers, right? Without any break, list out 30 contact numbers with person name. 30 contact number, person name. Without opening the mobile, without any gap. Try. No kada. ఓ 10-15 అంటే ఓకే. సో 30 numbers we are not remembering, sir. Reason we are not focusing on that way. A mobile helping, why we have to remember like that? Edit plus is helping. We don't need to remember. Editors using one of the advantage this one. And what is the syntax and how to use this one, sir? HTML operators starts with the end symbol. Starts with end symbol. Write your operator and semicolon. So this is the syntax to type the HTML operators. Operator before end symbol compulsory, sir. Operator after semicolon compulsory, sir. A part of the syntax, not my personal feeling. Syntax. Syntaxes we just follow. Just for your awareness purpose, some list I'm giving here, see that. Ampersand NBSP is one of the HTML operator. The English word, sir, NBSP. Yes, sir. HTML operators 100% English letters are English words. Like as your programming languages, special symbols not comes. But everything is English only. Tag names also English, attributes names also English only. So NBSP is an operator. At the same time, it's an English word. What is the use of this one, sir? It produces one space. One space. If I need 5 spaces, sir, repeat that one 5 times. Here we repeated the BR tag. Same style, repeat that one. You will get the number of spaces. Just an idea I'm going to typing. It produces the one space. Only one space. Next, ampersand to LT, sir. It produces the less than symbol. Ampersand to LT, it printing the less than symbol. The arrow just I'm showing, sir, meaning this one. Okay, this is not output. Just symbolic representation. Ampersand GT, it produces the greater than symbol. Ampersand copy, it produces the copyright symbol. Companies names we are using, sir, copyright symbol. C characters comes. Companies, factories, end of the company name, end of the factory name, we get a C letter is comes. 3 letters total. C, R, TM. Some companies name TM is comes. Trademark. Some companies R comes. Registered. Some companies C comes. Copyright. A copyright symbol producing this one. Copyright symbol we can directly type it, sir. No. Directly not possible to type. Reason, copyright symbol is comes like this. Circle is circle inside C. That is copyright symbol. Next, circle is circle inside R. That is registered symbol. A small circle drawing, circle inside alphabet R printing. So that directly typing is not possible. You have to use these special characters. This is copyrights. Second one, ampersand REG, registered symbol. Second symbol, sir, R. Next one, ampersand trade. Trademark symbol, TM. Trademark is nothing but an TM. Next, ampersand euro. On a currency is available the euro. A euro symbol printing, sir. Ampersand pounds. Pound symbol printing. Currencies. Ampersand ands. Chinese currency. Pounds. Which currency? Pounds. Britain. Euros. Euro. Which country currency? France. Sure. India kada. Euros India kada. Or what is Indian currency? Rupees. Are you same style we have symbol for rupees? No. Foreign countries symbols available, sir. Indian countries symbol not available. Because Indians, they doesn't like the rupees. That only HTML also not providing rupees symbol. So we don't have any rupees symbol, sir. It's a fact. Reason, or 12 years back, rupees symbol is there, first of all? Is there any rupees symbol 12 years back? Not available. So 12 years back, we are not using rupees symbol. How HTML producing, sir? Any idea, na? Rupees currency symbol is there or not for our country? Last 8 years back, 9 years back, rupees currency symbol introduced R letter, Hindi R letter. Before 9 years back, we don't have any currency denomination symbols. Then only we are writing English word RS, 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 because our own identity not available. 9 years back only, first time they releases the rupees currency symbol. This is fact. Our Indians are not available rupees symbol. How HTML supporting? Reason? God only knows. Here is some of the lists are just for idea purpose. Like this, total 99 symbols are available. Same type of English words, you will get the 99 symbols. The dot and etc. and meaning. Now I'll show some of the symbols first. Same program continuation. So Shiva space Kumar. Is single space it will comes. I need more spaces between that, sir. Manual I'm giving, but system not accepting that one. So take the support of the HTML operator. Ampersand NBSP. Ampersand NBSP. Ampersand NBSP. 4 spaces required for me. So 4 spaces I used here. Now 100% 4 spaces it will comes. You can count it also. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I need the 10 spaces, sir, you just copy paste the 10 times. The current situation, I think this is the only solution for limited number of spaces. I need huge amount of space, so 30 spaces gap required, sir. This is not correct. Then what to do, sir? CSS required. CSS, we have the direct options, how much space you want to produce. Direct supporting is there in CSS. Limited number of, I think you can go for this one. Next one, Naresh Technologies. Okay, Naresh IT Technologies. Ampersand NBSP. Again, ampersand NBSP. Ampersand NBSP. But what? How many spaces between the I and the technology? Huh? 3. Try to respond here. Why somebody silently sitting? Huh? Silently sitting, increasing the laziness. And automatically you are going to the sleep mode also. So try to active and try to respond the points. You did the brush kada? No problem, open. How many spaces say all of you? 5. Who is that? Somebody 5, somebody 3. 2, 4, 6. 4, 4. How 4? Okay. 3. 3. 4. 3. Online 3 or 4. Right here, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Okay. The final output is 5 spaces. 5. At a small gambling available, sir. You are not identified that gambling. 3 NBSPs are used already. 3 NBSPs conformly 3 space. You are not observed, sir. NBSP before I given one manual space. NBSP after I given one manual space. Not observed. I here one space is there. And semicolon and T. Here also we have one space. So 2 manual spaces, 3 operators. Total 5 spaces. Really 5 spaces, sir. You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next small change. 2. Now how many spaces? 5 and the 3 plus 3 plus 2. Gada. That side 3, this side 2, middle 3. No. 5A. Sure. Okay. Because these are the extra spaces. Single space is never becomes as extra space, sir. More than one space is becomes as always extra space. So still we have the 5 only, no changes in that one. This is one of the HTML operator. What is the full form of this NBSP, sir? Non-breakable space. Non-breakable space. The full form is that one. One of your FAQ, sir. Full form of the NBSP, it's one of your FAQ. Non-breakable space, non-removable space, non-blank space. These are the options, confused options. Obviously, we are selecting wrong option. Confirm. 90% scenarios we selected wrong option because almost all similar words. Non-breakable space, non-removable space, non-blank space, all matching other. So ABCD, 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 C, B. So try to remember, sir, without doing that mistake, sir. Non-breakable space. Next one, $100. Dollar symbol we have directly, so no problem. Next, 100 euros. Currencies I'm printing, sir. 100 pounds. And 100 ants. So dollar direct option and balance all the things as special characters. These are the 4 currency symbols. Next one. A company names I'm going to using, see that, sir. Suppose Intel, Xenon, i9 processors. This is Intel is the company name, Xenon is some of the model name, and this is the series. But all these names after I want to display the special characters. Intel after I need copyright symbol. So ampersand copy. Xenon after I need some trademark symbol, sir. Ampersand trade. i9 after I need some registration symbol, sir. Ampersand reg. Now observe once. A last line observe, sir. I'll magnify it. Wait. This is the copyrights. This is the TM, and this is the registered symbol. The compulsory every website available, sir. This one, but we are never seen, sir. At a maximum, we are seeing top of the web page. Bottom, we are not checking. If you go for the bottom of the web page, bottom what we have? Photo section is there. Company address, copyrights reserved, and terms and conditions. At a copyrights reserved scenario, compulsory these symbols are comes. Guarantee. But we are never seen, sir. అంటే మన ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్. ఇక్కడ check it once, sir. You will get the clear picture. Available? Lot of R's, lot of TM's. Your website is this one. Google search result. Intel R, Xenon R, again Intel R, something, some. Core TM. 100% available. Next, some more symbols. Before that, I'll show the trick here. Remembering these number of symbols is impossible, sir. So what to do for shortcut? A very simple, sir. Edit plus top toolbar available. Copy, paste to save something. And we already used this browser symbol. No? When I click on this one, program executes and we'll get the output. Now one more option I'm going to showing here. You got a C symbol available. Observe now. Name, special characters. HTML entities are nothing but an special characters. Click on that one, sir. Total chart displaying. HTML special characters 99 symbols chart. In that some we used already. Remember identified C, R, currency symbols, last TM. If it is showing the list of symbols, what is the use, sir? On what is the use? Just the symbols showing. What is the use? If you select the symbol, code system typing automatically. Which symbol you require? Just select the symbol, code system typing automatically. Is it really a sir? Check it. Place the cursor here. Which symbol required? 1/4, fractional part 1/4. Click on this 1/4. And next 1/2 required, sir. 3/4 required, sir. Divided by required. Divided by we can't type because we don't have any divided by key in the keyboard. Available. Slash available, but mathematics divided by not available. But we have divided by also here. Next, less than symbol, sir. Or double less than symbol. Mana, what is that? Backward forward symbol, sir. Audio players lo backward symbol and forward symbol. This is one. No, second one. This one. Click on this one and click on this one. Once run the program, observe the symbols. This is. So which symbol you require? Just choose the symbol, sir. Coding system producing. Editors, another benefit this one. Yesterday some points we already discussed with one more advantage of the editor. But these features in now Notepad not available. At a 99 symbols available, sir. Just click on the 99 symbols. Your requested symbol is comes automatically. So 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 divided by forward, backward. So try to follow. I'm not listing all operators. Some operators I explained. Balance operators, how to get the knowledge, the way I constructed. So follow that one, get balance your own. And but one for small things are symbols compulsory for web page designing. Now compulsory, because if these symbols not available, how can print the company's names? And these symbols not available, currency symbols, how can print it? No chance. Next, in the same HTML operator, some special category available. As yesterday I already used smiley symbol, remember? That is also HTML operators. Those also. I'll show that one. HTML special operators, sir. Regular operators, routine operators. And those are the HTML special operators. How can I identify that, sir? There we have an extra symbol hash available. Hash followed by, we'll get some 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. One syntax. Second syntax, hash followed by 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is all these things are? Hexadecimal codes. All these are the hexadecimal codes. Coding system. Some special symbols, so for every symbol they generated already one code. For example, sir, your college's code available or not? College name available plus college code also available. In counseling, are you selecting name or code? Code only. Like that in our programming also, some of the activities they generated the codes. How many codes we have like that, sir? 200 to 2 to 300s of codes are available. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to 300s of codes are available. Apart from the 99, the 99 separate, but again these 200 plus is separate. And what is the syntax, sir? Some hexadecimal 4-digit codes. Some hexadecimal 6-digit code. Some operators 4-digit comes, sir. Some operators 6-digit. Yesterday, which one we used? 6 digits I used. Smiley symbol is comes. 4 digits also we have some special characters that comes. HTML hexadecimal codes producing some special symbols. Special symbols you know already, sir. Once again I'm showing. So ampersand hash 128524. 534, 544, 555. One more last one. 566. 1, 2, 3, 5 symbols I used, sir. All hexadecimal codes. And the result, sir. These are the result. Inka lepala. Adi kudardu. Wait. A 5 hexadecimal codes, 5 variety symbols are. The fourth one, somebody is available already. Some students in the fourth mode. Girls I think not identified. Boys, a lot of I identified. You are in this mode only. Somebody this one. Who is that, sir? Who are absented yesterday and day before yesterday classes? Those situations, this one. So for that videos links available, sir. Please watch the video links while coming to tomorrow's session. Yesterday's session, day before yesterday's session, if anybody is missed, I'll display the video links, YouTube links. So while coming to tomorrow's session, just watch the videos and better come to the session. And a small gap available, gap is fulfilling. What is these two? No, no. The last one, no? We hexadecimal, sir. Special symbols I said together, that one. And one more special symbol I'm going to showing, sir. On our rupees symbol, we don't know, I said already. Regular operator not available, special operator available. So I want to display 1000 rupees, sir. Ampersand hash 8377. Ampersand hash 8377, 4-digit code. Finally, we'll see our rupees symbol also on the screen. They recently introduced, sir. Old versions not available. Because old version, sir, we don't have the symbol. How HTML providing? At the middle of the HTML supported. The symbol code is 8377 hash 8377. So that's all about the today's explanation, sir. The more tags, more options we'll see in tomorrow's session. And before that, I'll just share the videos links of the previous sessions, sir. Offline students try to take the snap if you are interested or you missed those things. Online students already in chat box available, sir. You can check that one. Previous 6 sessions videos available in the chat box. Please check that. Offline students, wait, I'll show it. So day 1 to day 6, all links are available here. Not displaying properly. Here only you can copy it. Online student, please check your chat box. And tomorrow I'll share the Google Classroom link, sir. Tomorrow I'll give the Google Classroom link for accessing of your notes and examples. What we discussed in the last 6 sessions are the total theory part plus examples. I'll place in the Google, and tomorrow session I'll share the link also. నేను ఇచ్చేస్తాలే ఎందుకు నేను పెట్టేస్తాను కాపీడా ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ టుమారో విల్ కంటిన్యూ
using hitting tag, you said you can take H1 and H5 as a pair tag. To use H1 and H5 as a pair tag, what tag it will take, sir? H1 or sir H5 as most tag. These special characters are not there in edit plus, like symbols are not there. Sir, coming here, sir, from non-technical background, so I have opportunity to survive in this field, sir. Sir, BSc. Not computer, sir, and science. And my BSc completed next year. This is my second year. BSc Maths, BSc Science, BCA, all are eligible for IT jobs. And sir, this is very tough or I can survive it. Not tough, sir, to do little bit work on required. Daily referring and daily practice, it is not a problem. So sir, what you, मतलब जो आप यहाँ पे पढ़ाते हैं सर, हिंदी सर यू जो आप यहाँ पे पढ़ाते हैं तो वो उतना समझ में आता है अभी जितना पढ़ा है different extracts different like exercise will be different for different extracts exercise will differ while setting HTML file use a double quotation mark that is not necessary notepad is because notepad default exception was .txt. If we are not giving the double quotation .txt, but here we are taking directly HTML program. Taking directly HTML. When you save this one, what we have here on I am from BSc Physics.
Right. Nowadays, companies are taking the BSc guidance also.
న్యూ వర్షన్ సార్ 11 అప్డేట్ వర్షన్ సార్. ఒక నేను మొన్న చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఇన్స్టాల్ చేద్దాం ఎడిట్ ప్లస్ రావడం ఉంది సార్ ల్యాప్టాప్లో. యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయినట్టు చూపిస్తుంది ఎడిట్ ప్లస్, అది మరి రావడం యాప్ మన డిస్ప్లే వెబ్ మీద.
డెస్క్టాప్ మీద ఒకవేళ రాకపోతే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ చూసుకో.
మై కంప్యూటర్స్ చూసాను సార్, లేదు కనపడలేదు. అందులో నేనేం చేస్తాను, డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తే వచ్చింది రావడానికి. గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి వెబ్ బ్రౌజర్లోకి వెళ్ళి చేస్తే మీరు చెప్పి ఇప్పుడు దాంట్లో మీరు ఎందుకు లోకల్ డ్రైవ్ సీలోకి డీలో చేస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ సిస్టమ్ అన్ని ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తాను. ఆ సిస్టంలో కొత్త సిస్టమ్ నాకు లోకల్ డ్రైవ్ సి కనపడలా, డ్రైవ్ సి డ్రైవ్ చేస్తాను డైరెక్ట్గా ఓపెన్ గానే ఉంది, క్లిక్ చేస్తే వచ్చింది నాకు. అట్లా దాంట్లో నుంచి రావడం లేదు సార్. అంటే పైన మీరు ప్రోగ్రామ్ టైప్ చేయాలన్నారు కదా, ఈ డ్రైవ్లో అడ్రస్ దానికి తెలియకుండా ఎట్లా సార్ ఓపెన్ గా వచ్చేసింది. సేవ్ చేసినప్పుడు సీలోకి పోకుండా డ్రైవ్లో కట్ట పోకుండా బయటకు వచ్చేసింది సార్. అప్పుడు దాన్ని ఎట్లా సార్
మీరు ఎక్కడ సేవ్ చేస్తే ఆ లొకేషన్
ఓపెన్ గా వచ్చేసింది. పైన మై కంప్యూటర్స్ వెళ్ళగానే సైడ్ చూపించేస్తుంది సార్.
ఆ అడ్రస్ టైప్ చేయాలి.
మై కంప్యూటర్స్ అడ్రస్
అదే టైప్ చేయాలి. మీరు అడ్రస్ చూడాలంటే మీ ఫైల్ ఉంది కదా, మీ ఫైల్ మీద రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ప్రాపర్టీస్ వెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ అడ్రస్ కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కనిపిస్తే అది టైప్ చేయండి, అన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్ नोट्स भी प्रोवाइड करो.
नोट्स का सर बॉडी इमेजेस रावाలంటే సార్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ దాని మీద వెబ్ పేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. అది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్